All right, so now we're gonna show you how to put the wheel back into the bike. We still got these nuts over here like this, so it's nice and clear. We got the torque washers with the notch facing up. Same thing on that side. Now we're just gonna hold it by the center of it, put it under that chain, then we're gonna drop it right into that first chain ring. Because remember when you pulled it out, you put it in gear number 7. Then we're gonna slide it right back in. It should sit nice and flat. The torque washers take up the space in the dropout. We're gonna tighten this side. And we are gonna tighten it. Okay, this side, we're gonna put your derailleur guard back in. That goes on first. The washer, and then the nut. That'll be a nut. Get it snug, then tighten it with your 19mm wrench. And again, make sure that it is tight. And we're going to take the rubber boot, put the rubber boot back on. I'm going to take this wire, fish it through the guard, under the derailleur cable, and then plug it in. It only plugs in one way. And just get it until it's tight. And remember the cable tie we cut off? We're going to put this right through here and around the motor wire. So you can use any cable tie you have. It doesn't matter if it's long, short, whatever. You'll make it short. And just cut it off. Put it on. Put my little fat fingers in the way. You can use a little longer cable tie next time. Get in there. Ah. Cable tie through, zip it secure, make sure that your derailleur is still free, and now you just install your rear wheel. Thank you.